Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to pay your Walmart Rewards Mastercard using online banking in Canada. Start by logging into your online banking account or opening your mobile banking app. Once you are logged in, look for a section called Pay Bills, Bill Payments, or Manage Payees. This is usually found in the main menu. Next, choose the option to add a new payee. Your bank will show a search field or a list of companies. In the search bar, type Walmart Rewards Mastercard or Walmart Mastercard. After selecting the payee, you will be asked to enter an account number. This is the 16-digit number printed on the front of your Walmart Mastercard. Enter the number carefully and double-check it before continuing. Once confirmed, save the payee. Now go back to the bill payment screen. Choose Walmart Mastercard from your list of payees. Enter the payment amount. You can pay the minimum amount, the full balance, or any amount you choose. Then select the date you want the payment to be sent. Many people choose the current date. You can also make a payment by logging in directly to the Walmart Rewards Canada website. After signing in, go to your credit card account and follow the steps to make a payment from your bank account. Thanks for watching.